Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing on how you can withdraw money from Whop. I have a very nice AI overview right in front of us, and here's what you need to do in order to withdraw money from Whop. First things first, you need to log into your Whop account and navigate to your dashboard. Go to the Finances section on your dashboard, and within the Finances section, click on Payouts. You'll see options for withdraw to bank or instant. If eligible for instant withdrawals, select the withdrawal frequency, as in choose your preferred withdrawal frequency, monthly, weekly, daily, etc. Enter the withdrawal amount you wish to withdraw from your WAP account. Go ahead and confirm the withdrawal request. And now all you have to do is simply wait for funds to transfer. Once your withdrawal request is processed, Whop will send you an email notification. The time it takes for the funds to reach your bank account depends on your bank's processing speed, usually around 3 to 5 days. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.